Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today, Nifty future, SGX Nifty future was above 19,000 in the morning, but we did not touch, but we went very close to that. Anyway, we still have another 4 more weeks in December. So let us hope my interview with Money Control, I said December 19,000 is the target. So once Nifty future went very close to 19,000, so then came the selling pressure. So in fact, in the morning I said, Nifty is likely to face resistance around 18,920. That corresponds to the future 19,020. But as expected, selling came. And I also mentioned that, I'm not a big fan of this big gap up, especially somewhere near all-time high. So definitely there will be some selling. So that selling has come. And in between, Nifty has fallen more than 100 point. But then after that again recovery came, so again consolidated. So for the last 4 days, so it has been like that. Like either in the last half an hour, 1 hour, selling comes or buying comes, and markets are making two-way moves. But at the end of the day, 40-50 point higher closing only. IT index is the biggest contributor today, and a few days before I told you, IT index has crossed 200-day moving average, simple moving average. So that is considered as a positive for a long-term investors with a longer-term perspective. So with the longer-term perspective, IT is definitely worth looking at. And today, the highest contribution came from TCS and Infosys, and also HDFC Bank. So these are the 3 top contributors for the Nifty. And today, Reliance has taken a back seat. So the Reliance was slightly down. But I think after market hours, some news has come. The GST collection about 1.46 lakh crore. Then the crude oil tax is being cut for the locally produced crude oil. So probably tomorrow again, Reliance may come into focus. And another notable thing is that, India VIX is down more than 3%, and auto index down slightly because I think the markets were not very happy with the auto sales data. And the Bajaj auto, I think, fell drastically in the morning, and after that it has recovered. I thought today FIIs will buy and the domestic institutions will book profits. But look, when Nifty is touching 19,000, FIIs are selling and the domestic institutions are buying. So I will be coming out with a separate video whether this rally will sustain, or this rally in what way is different from past rallies. So FIIs have sold for 1,565 crores, while the domestic institutions have bought for 2,665 crores. Coming to the open interest, so this week, every day, highest open interest moved up by 100 points. On Monday, it was 18,400, Tuesday, it was 18,500, then 600, then 700. Today, highest open interest was 18,800. Of course, today is an expiry day. Looking at the next week, people are taking 18,800 short straddle. So because next week, not many data, just only one data, that is tomorrow US jobs data. But even if US jobs data is slightly against the market also, the people will not worry, because Fed chairman has made up a mind to go slow with the rate hikes. And then if you leave that, the next Thursday, Gujarat state election results. So anyway, people who are taking position now, they can exit before next Thursday, or election results will come during the market hours, so the people can always keep a stop loss. So always remember, if an election results come on Saturday, Sunday, then you have to worry, because Monday there can be a big gap up or big gap down. But this time results are coming during the market hours, so nothing to worry much. But remember, markets will be highly volatile. So that is the thing now, and so simply speaking, Bank Nifty, for the last 4 days, I think about 4 or 5 days before, Bank Nifty was around 43,000. So I had a lot of money, so don't know what to do. Mostly I do some strangles, multiple strangles. So what I did, 44,500, 45,000, 45,500, 46,000 call options sold. The same made downside also, 43 minus 1,500, 41,500, 41,000, 40,500, 40,000 put options. So 4 call options and 4 put options sold. From that day until today, the Bank Nifty has neither moved 500 point up nor moved 500 point down. It has been moving in this range. So I am making some profit slowly due to time value. So the reason why I have done this, banks have already run up. So the banks are likely to consolidate, and then IT stocks may lead the next leg of the rally. So that is my opinion, and today I have taken some, in fact 2 days before I said I am looking at OFSS, but the next day I forgot to buy, but today I bought OFSS, Oracle Financial Software Services, and incidentally today that has added huge open interest in futures and options also. So TCS, Infosys, OFSS and LTTS, all the IT stocks technically looking long now. So let us see how they move in the next few days. So that's it for now. So one weekly expiry is over. I wouldn't say it's a time for party because I'm not feeling well. There is some food poisoning, I don't know what, so like I have some stomach problem. So I want to go home and rest at home. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.